myself Neha Sutar, student of first year Diploma Computer Engineering of ZIL Polytechnic Nare Pune. My subject is Basic Electronic Computer. My topic is boulder circuit on paper. On to the turn on of the LED using photodiode sensor. Under the guidance Professor Preeti Khobagade, project abstract, this paper purposes a novel light emitting dual based system that can estimate the 3D position of an object strength. This work presents an alternative and relatively cheap approach from the remotely estimating the location of an object. Content about LEDs. A light emitting diode is especially a PN junction approach semiconductor that emits a monochromatic light when operated in the forward based direction. LEDs convert electrical energy into light energy. About LED second, the most important part of the light emitting diode is the semiconductor chip location in the center of the bulb as shown at the light. The chip has two regions separated by the junction. The junction act as barriers to the flow of electrons between the p-n junction and n region. LED circuit, the base LED circuit is an electrical power circuit use the power of light emitting diode or LED. The simplest such circuit consists of a voltage source and the two components connect in series. A circuit limiting resistor and LED. Optionally, a switch may be introduced to open and close the circuit. The switch may be replaced with another component or circuit on from the continuous tester. How does a LED work? Each time an electron recombines with the positive charge, electric potential energy is converted in electromagnetic energy. For each recombination of negative and positive charge, a quantum of electromagnetic energy is emitting further from a photon of light with a frequency characteristic of semiconductor material. Colors of LED. LEDs are made from the gallium-based crystals and contain one and more additional materials such as phosphorus to produce a distinct color. Different LED chips technically emit light in specific regions of the visible light spectrum and produce different intensity travel. LEDs are available in red, orange, amber, yellow and green, blue and white. LED's characteristic of colors. One of the major characteristics of an LED is its color. The different LED characteristics have been brought about the varieties of factors in the manufacture of the LED. The semiconductor make up of factors, but fabrication technology and execution also a major part of the determination of the LED characteristic. Some types of LED: bar graph, 7 segment, starburst, dot matrices. LED performance. LED performance is based on few primary characteristics: color, white light, intensity, eye safety information, visibility, operating life, voltage and design current. Application: sensor application, mobile application, sign application, automatic application, LED singles, illuminations, inductors. Second, photodiode. What is a photodiode? Photodiodes are semiconductor light sensor that generate a current or voltage when the PN junction in the semiconductor is illuminated by light. A photodiode is a type of photodirector capable of converting light into either current or voltage, depending upon the mode of operation. The common traditional solar cell use of generate electronic solar power is a large area photodiode cell. Principle of photodiode cell operation. A photodiode is a PNN junction or pin structure. When a photon of sufficient energy strict or duet. It excited an electron, thereby creating a free electrons and a positive charge electrons hole. This medium is also known as the inner photoelectronic effect. If is the hypersphere occurs in the junction depletion regions or one deficient length always from it. These carriers are swept from the junction by the bolt in the field of the depletion region. Thus, hold move towards the anode and electrons towards the cathode, and the photocurrent is produced. This photocurrent is the sum of the both the dark current without light and the light current, so that the dark current must be minimized to enhance the sensitivity of the on the device. Photodiode types: PN photodiode, PIN photodiode, Schottky type photodiode, API. All these type of provides the following features and are widely used from the detection of the intensity, position, color and pressure of the light. Features of photodiode: excellent in linearly with respect to the incident light, low noise, wide spectral response, mechanically rough, compact and lightweight, long life. Applications of photodiode: in PN junction, photodiodes are used in similar application of to the photodetectors such as conductor, charge coupled device, and photo multiple tubes. They may be used generate an output with depends upon the illumination along from the measurement and the light, or the change the state of currently either for the switching or the detect single procession. Working of arm circuit: the circuit of PN junction PN photodiode in the reverse bias mode or detect light intensity in the presence of laser IR rays. The photodiode conduct and provides bias to T1. The MPN transistor T1 conductor and take the reset PN for IC1 to ground potentials. IC1 is wires as an assemble oscillator using the component RC. VR1 and C3. The assemble operate only when in reset PM becomes high. When the lasers IR beams break current through the photodiode creases and T1 turns off the collector voltage of T1, then goes high and enable IC1. The output pulses from IC1 drives the peaker and arm tones will be generator. Conclusion: LED and photodiode both are two terminal devices, but they different and their working mechanism. They are completely different device. One generate electrically and other generate current. The intensity of the current produced and LED is directly proportional to the applied voltage. The higher the voltage, the will be light intensity.